everyone, I'm Toni and this is Brandon with Aquatek Water Conditioning. And a very common conversation, a very common question that we receive from potential customers is, can you give me a price on a whole home water treatment system? Well, the question is, what exactly is a whole home water treatment system? And you're going to see in a lot of your research, a lot of the marketing and the branding, that they utilize the terms whole home water treatment system. But this can be a little deceiving to the potential customer on what exactly they are getting and what they want and what they need with their water.
So as Toni said, this is a common question I get quite a bit, is a whole home system. So this is a very open-ended question. Without knowing the customer's water, the area they're in, or the size of their house, it's hard for us to recommend anything. So to be able to price a system is impossible. There is no one size fits all. I cannot just give you a price and say this is the perfect equipment for your house. You know, we need that water test. We need to talk to that customer to see what they actually want. Just some of these tanks here are whole home systems. Something as small as this can be a whole home system, or as large as this tank can be a whole home system. It's really dependent on what your water quality is and what the customer actually wants.
So some common terms that we use in the water treatment industry are POU, which stands for point of use, and POE, which stands for point of entry. And all of these systems, all of these tanks that you see back here can be used for either of those.
As Toni has mentioned, in point of use and point of entry. So all these systems can be used for either or. So a lot of our point of entry systems are treating the water as they enter your house. So we're making sure we're treating everything, your water heater, your dishwasher, the clothes washer, anything that's using water, we make sure it has good treated water.
And those are your whole home systems.
Those would be a whole home system. Your point of use a lot of times are what your drinking water systems are. So those are usually smaller little systems that we're treating just a couple of locations in your house. So a little system like this can be a point of entry or a point of use. Depends once again what we're treating it for. Now a lot of our drinking water systems can also be point of entry. So just to say a whole home system is very deceiving. You really need to know what type of water we're treating and what you actually want with the water to give you a proper estimate on a water system.
Because this is such a common conversation that we have with potential customers, and sometimes when they ask us for, well, give us a quote and a price on a whole home water treatment system, and then we kind of counter back with, well, what exactly is it? What exactly are you looking for? They kind of give us a blank stare sometimes. So this is why we thought this might be really valuable information for you to understand that it really depends on the quality of your water and what your wants and needs are out of your water, whether you need a whole home water treatment system or not.
Yep. So like I said, give us a call. We're more than welcome to come out, test your water, discuss any question you may have. This is at no cost or obligation to you. So once we get that water test and we can see what you actually want with your water, then we could properly quote you a system, whether it be a point of entry or a point of use for that system.